Well, Governor Larry Hogan announced some controversial decisions this afternoon, vetoing several key bills, including one that would overhaul state public schools. The governor cited the coronavirus pandemic and its toll on the state's economy as the reason. WMAR 2 News' Ray Strickland spoke to a Baltimore City parent who says the governor missed an opportunity to show that he cares about the future of Maryland students.
I spoke to a parent who has kids in the Baltimore City School District, and I also spoke to the president of the Baltimore Teachers Union. Both say Governor Larry Hogan is using COVID-19 as an excuse to veto a school funding bill they say will give kids the tools they need to get a much better education than they're getting right now. Governor Larry Hogan keeping his word, vetoing several pieces of legislation, including a Kirwan Commission recommended school funding bill that would have provided billions of dollars for schools in the state. The governor says because of the unprecedented economic situation the state is facing due to the coronavirus pandemic, it would be, quote, irresponsible to allow legislation that requires increasing spending to become law, end quote.
We have schools that don't have heat, schools that don't have air conditioning. We don't have proper equipment in our schools.
Joe Mack, whose 4 kids attend Baltimore City Schools, says the district has historically been underfunded. He says, if anything, the pandemic shows more of a need to fund schools, especially in Baltimore, where many students still don't have access to laptops for distance learning.
To use COVID as an excuse, it's insulting. The current legislation would have done things to really close the gap that we face here in Baltimore City when it comes to funding education.
And it's going to further increase the gaps in learning.
The president of the Baltimore Teachers Union, Diamond Tate Brown, calls the governor's decision a missed opportunity.
I believe that no matter what, we always put our children first.
Governor Hogan also vetoed a bill that would have required the state to spend $580 million to settle a longstanding lawsuit with HBCUs over inequities in the state university system.
It's really disheartening that we continue to say we want the best for our children, but our actions don't align with our words.
And the governor's veto also means $2.2 billion to fund school construction projects is at risk of not happening. However, lawmakers are hoping to override the governor's veto during the next legislative session. In Baltimore, Ray Strickland, WMAR 2 News.